testing, the key to stemming the spread of coronavirus. But with clinics stretched thin, lines run long, and results are delayed, stopping a return to normalcy in its tracks. SOTECH Health is attempting to revolutionize testing as we know it, using a patented breathalyzer to detect COVID-19 in as little as 30 seconds.
2, 1, I'm going to exhale. The ding and the red LED on the device indicates that I should stop exhaling, and the processing will be finished in about 5 seconds. The green LED indicates that my screening is negative on the device.
Unlike a PCR swab test, the breathalyzer looks for metabolites in the breath, which is not only fast, but also effective.
We aren't looking for the virus. What happens is when you get the virus, your body fights that infection, as everyone knows, and you then exude these metabolites. Our sensitivity is 97.3, and that's very, very substantial and very high.
The technology also boasts an ability to spot the virus before traditional testing.
Empirically, what they've shown in the breath, which is metabolites, not the virus, is it is the first indicator.
An ability to discover COVID-19 so quickly and early could be utilized by countless industries. Before school, before work, before entering a stadium to see your favorite football team, or even before something as simple as going home to see mom and dad. The process has already been through rigorous testing, and the breathalyzer undergoes final U.S. federal review by May 2021 and should be on the market the following month.
Awesome. We're going to bring up Doug from SOTECH.
Hi, everybody.
Hello. Welcome to the stage.
Thank you. Obviously, we repurposed the video from a few months ago. So in full transparency, we're still waiting for FDA approval. We have submitted to Health Canada for the internal order, as well as in the European Union and the UK.
That's fantastic. Just looking at the news coverage that you already have, that piece really shows the product very well, I would say. So if we have questions, go ahead and put them in the side tabs there. All right, first one. Doug, what are you most looking to get from working with industry partners?
What are you most looking to get from working with? I think we're all trying to solve the same problem. I think we're working on our sales pipeline, but obviously, with the geographic presence in Canada and Pacific Northwest, we haven't really tapped into a lot of those areas. I think we're here for goodwill and to partner, and we're all kind of after the same thing, to reopen the world, right? And again, COVID's not going away. We're gonna be living with it for a while, and then it'll become like any other endemic, right? We have to deal with any type of upper respiratory infection and the contagions that come with that. So, and this product's positioned to identify all those. And as Craig mentioned earlier, right, our sensitivity is very high in identifying severe upper respiratory infection. We feel we don't have the tests or the clinical data to support it yet around specificity, which we could potentially say you have COVID versus you have flu A or B versus you have RSV. We think we can do it, but obviously we need to have the test patients and prove that out in theory as well.
Right. So that's touching on the question that Jordan asked. What is the sensitivity mentioned in the video? Yes, is that a true positive rate?
Sensitivity is defined as we're 98% certain you have a severe upper respiratory infection. Our specificity is lower. That's where you can differentiate between COVID, flu A and B, and RSV. But again, we don't have access to a lot of the testing, and we need to prove that out.
Got it. I personally think that's a cool idea. Just how quick it is. And it showed in the video, you could just blow and then your smartphone, shows that. I think that is definitely using technology to our advantage right now.
Yeah, what we didn't highlight really is we're down to about 15 seconds now, and all that information is stored in the cloud. That's really a big part of our intellectual property, right? We have the ability to report back out to any of our customers, right, at a test level. There's lat and long. We have contact tracing capabilities. We have the ability you saw the QR code that we can interface into host systems and the like as well.
Right.
From an electronic passport perspective, if that's the direction people want to go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Government or airlines or whatever.
Absolutely. Yeah. Fantastic. I don't see any other questions. If there are more, you will definitely be in the breakouts. Let's see, Cameron from. Okay. How do you see this working during ingress for large venues such as stadiums?
Yeah, well, I think we solved for the hardest thing first, right, which is a portable handheld device. We have been talking to large event planners. I think the device that we would envision in that would be more of a wall-mounted kiosk where we could have the throughput would be a lot faster, and that's certainly on the design table. But going live with a portable handheld was by choice how we want to enter the market.
Perfect. So if you have more questions for Doug, he will be around in the breakout sessions. Thank you so much, Doug, for your time.
Thank you.